Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to save a website to your list of favorites on your iPhone using Safari. This is a quick and easy way to keep track of your favorite sites for fast access, and I'll walk you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. To get started, open up Safari on your iPhone and navigate to the website you want to favorite. Once you're on the page, look for the share icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon looks like a square with an upward arrow. Tapping on it will bring up a range of sharing and saving options. Now in the sharing menu, scroll down until you see an option that says Add to Favorites. When you tap this, you'll have the chance to edit the name of the favorite if you'd like, which can be helpful if you want to label it something specific. Once you're happy with the name, simply tap Save, and the website will be added to your favorites list. To access your favorites, you can open a new tab in Safari or just tap on the address bar. Your favorites should pop up right there, making it super easy to visit your go-to sites in a tap or two. While adding sites to your favorites list is a great option, there are other ways to save websites in Safari as well. For example, you can add a website as an icon directly to your iPhone's home screen, making it feel like an app. Or if you're looking to save a page temporarily, you can add it to your reading list. Just remember, with the reading list, the page will be removed once you read it, so it serves a different purpose than your favorites list. Thanks for watching today's video. If this was helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more quick iPhone tips. See you later.